Good morning, students. Today we start our last topic for class 4, subject computer. Our last chapter 9 is Introduction to Internet Browsing and Searching. Okay, so here today we discuss about the tick the correct option, fill in the blanks, match the following true false, and all the other question answer one by one. So listen carefully. Okay, so first question, take the option. You can use internet to a buy products, pay bills, chat with people, and all of these. So our answer will be all of these. Okay, so it's very easy question. Every time, day by day, we are using internet, so we can answer this question very easily. Okay, so our next question is, which of the following is not an ISP means internet service provider. Okay, so Geo provide internet, BSNL provide internet, Airtel also provide internet, but Google Chrome not provide internet. So our answer will be Google Chrome. So next, third, which of the following is an example of web browser? Web browser, search engine, internet explorer. So answer is the internet explorer. Okay, so next, number 4, what is a collection of related web page linked together called? So answer is website. Website is a collection of related web page. Okay, number 5, which of these is used to reload a web page? Our answer will be refresh button. With the refresh button we can reload the page. Okay, so here now we are going to discuss fill in the blanks. The internet was initially known as ARPANET. A dash is a collection of interconnected page that contain picture, audio, video, and other things. Web page. Third, when we visit any site, first page that appears are called home page. The URL of the website is entered in the address bar. That favorite button is used to save the URL that you like to may visit later. Favorite button helps to a site we can visit again next time in if we visit again same site. Okay, so next is draw true false. Okay, first we can a lot of information on any topic on internet. Yes, this is true. A web page created using language HTML. This, yes, it is true. The forward button takes the web page which are viewing before coming to the present page. No, this is the false. The page which collectively form the World Wide Web are called hyperlink. No, this is not hyperlink, so it is false. The home button is used to display the home page. Yes, home button is used to display the home page. So this is the our answer is true. Okay, these all about the true and false. So we can see here uh, in one we can get a lot of information. Okay, so get is missing here, sorry. So we can get a lot of information from any topic with the help of internet, because we know we are living in the internet area every time. So we can get a lot of information, we can learn from the internet everything. So use your internet properly in positive way. Okay, learn everything for your good purpose. Okay, so come to next point, match the following. Shareable information on the internet is www, World Wide Web. Okay, next is the address of a website or web page is URL, Universal Uniform Resource Locator. That is a software that lets us access the page on the World Wide Web or web browser. Web browser helps to access the web page. Okay, number 4, it is used to reload a web page. Refresh button helps to reload web page. Number 5, a company that provide internet are called ISP, Internet Service Provider, which helps to provide internet. Okay, now we are coming to discuss our main point, answer the questions. Okay, so first question is what? First question is, What is internet? Give any two usage of internet. So the term internet stands for international network. Okay, what is the full form of internet? International network. It is a huge network of computer around the world. So what if we talk about the usage of internet? So usage of internet is pay bills, buy products, and many other things. We can purchase anything online, we can pay the bills. Okay, this is the usage. Our next question is define ISP and www. We know that ISP, full form of ISP what? It stands for Internet Service Provider. Okay, it is a company that provide the internet access to the user. Okay, and www, it stands for World Wide Web. It is a collection of interconnected pages that contain text, picture, audio, and video. Okay, come to next question. What is the role of web browser? Very easy question. A web browser is a software that let us access the page on the internet or www. Okay. Our next question is what is the difference between a web page and website? Web page, the web page which collectively form the www are called web page, and website is what? A location where the information is available on the web is called website. In the website we can search anything. Okay. Our last question is what do you mean by search engine? Name any two search engine. Okay, if we talk about the search engine, okay, so answer we can answer it. A search engine is a website that helps you search for information on the